In a groundbreaking decision, New York City's public schools have lifted the ban on ChatGPT, signaling their readiness to embrace the power of AI in the classroom. ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, quickly gained popularity due to its remarkable ability to respond in a human-like manner and perform tasks previously thought to be exclusive to humans. Students discovered a creative use for ChatGPT, using the chatbot as an aid for writing assignments. However, their joy was short-lived when the New York City Department of Education raised concerns about the potential obsolescence of assignments and the risk of plagiarism and cheating. The department spokesperson highlighted the negative impacts on student learning and expressed concerns about the safety and accuracy of the content generated by ChatGPT. But now, a change of heart. Chancellor David C. Banks has penned an article stating that the knee-jerk fear and risk overlooked the potential of generative AI to support students and teachers. Banks emphasized that understanding generative AI is crucial for students entering a world shaped by this technology. Teachers have already begun teaching about the future and ethics of AI, fostering an environment that embraces this game-changing technology. New York City public schools will now actively encourage and support educators and students in exploring the possibilities of AI, including ChatGPT. Meanwhile, OpenAI continues to enhance ChatGPT. In March, they unveiled GPT-4, a more advanced version of the AI chatbot. OpenAI also introduced a premium version of ChatGPT, while keeping the free version accessible to all. Exciting developments lie ahead as OpenAI plans to equip ChatGPT with real-time web browsing powers. Although this feature will be exclusive to ChatGPT Plus users, it promises to further enhance the chatbot's capabilities. With the ban lifted and a future-oriented approach, New York City's public schools are embracing the potential of AI. As ChatGPT evolves and transforms education, students and teachers alike embark on a new era of learning and innovation. If you like this video, please do subscribe and follow us for more interesting videos. Thank you.